Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I'd like to offer you a 60-minute ACT CRM review. The reason I do this is because I'd like to be a resource you use in the future, whether you're looking for ACT technical support, training, or if you just have questions. Tell me your ACT story. Tell me how you use ACT, and take advantage of up to 60 minutes of my time absolutely free. All you have to do is schedule a time with me, and I'd be more than happy to answer all your ACT questions. Whether it's customizing ACT, training, or technical information, anything at all, please reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to work with you. I have the ability to sell ACT. I have the ability to help you determine the best way to upgrade or keep your software current. I offer a wide range of services in ACT CRM. So I would like to be the resource you call. I'd like to be the person you reach out to when you have an ACT question. And my philosophy is I'll offer my time to you at no cost, just so you have a resource for the future. Okay, my friends, my name is Tony Holowitz. You can call me or you can go to my online calendar and schedule a time to meet with me. Thank you very much.